Guys, so today I'm gonna be taking this B20 block apart, get it ready to send to the machine shop. Probably not gonna be doing a lot of talking, just gonna get straight to it. I'm trying to see what kind of pistons I'm gonna need. These are 84. I don't know if I need to bore it a little bit over. I'll take it to the shop to see if these sleeves are good. If not, we're gonna bore a little bit over it, and then we're gonna decide what kind of pistons are gonna go in here. We're gonna take it apart. Take all the rods out, take all the pistons out, take the crank out, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. Alrighty, so we got the oil pan off. I already started losing out the oil pump, and I need to get this side. Take out these bolts. So this crank is officially ready to take out. Everything's unbolted. Let me know if you guys want to see me assemble this motor together. Send everything to the shop. So hopefully you guys like what you saw. If y'all did, hit that like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to give me any advice on going LSV or B20B, let me know.